Hey, I'm Arnold. Welcome back to the channel. Right behind me is a 2019 Mercedes Coachman Prism. It is a 3500 model diesel, and today I'm going to teach you how to do an oil change. So stick around. All right, so let's get started. We've got to get underneath the car. All right. I'm going to put this there. All right, so this is the oil panel right here. We're going to unscrew this little cap right here, and then the oil is going to shoot down in a stream. That's going to collect in our bucket. And then from there, we'll just wait till it empties out. Got it. All right, so we're gonna let that drain out for a while, and if you want to speed up the process, I'll show you how to do it. So we're gonna open up this oil cap right here, and we're gonna let gravity push it down. We're going to take a wrench and we're going to tighten it up. Now it's time to add some oil. Now before you do that, please be cautious because not all oil is meant for diesel engines. This one specifically says for gasoline engines, whereas this one, made in Germany, says fully synthetic for gasoline and diesel engines. Now this is the one you want if you have a diesel motorhome. So you could unscrew your oil cap. And in this instance, you want to use a funnel. I'm using a cut up gallon jug. And we're going to pour our oil right down there. So the next part of the oil change is changing the oil filter right here. But fortunately today we're not going to do that. I change my oil more often than I change my oil filter, about every 5,000 miles or so. And this oil filter I change every 10,000 miles. But this is how it looks like. You want to basically take off this top, use this wrench, and you're going to grab the oil filter out and replace it with the new one. And then close the top and that's it. Well, thanks for watching the video. I hope you learned something. I'm sure in the future I'll do some more videos about something car related, so stick around and see you next time.